Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today we have our intern team who will be presenting on a topic that they felt was important. I also felt it was important, but they've come up with their own material to teach the next incoming class what it means to be an intern. I will hand it over now to the team.
Hello, how to be a marketing intern at IN-18 next. About IN-18. Our business, IN-18, is a diverse business wanting to help diverse communities and diverse businesses become better versions of themselves. Our CEO and president is Latoya Finney, and our services that we provide are strategic planning, coaching, team building through golf, and training programs. Next.
Interns, the social media marketing interns. Hi, my name is Chantal Balvi. I am currently a senior high school and I intend to be a future psychologist and entrepreneur by majoring in psychology in college.
Hi, my name is Rosalie Santiago. I have decided to go into beauty school to get my licenses in esthetician and nail technician to use my licenses into businesses in my future. Next. Being an intern in IN-18 has been an amazing journey, learning the behind the scenes of a business. This internship has helped me grow in many ways, especially on being assertive and being able to not hold my voice back if I wanted to put an idea and opinion out there, because I always had very much trouble doing that in my past. Next.
As a social media marketing intern, I learned how to research for topics and learn how to create posts and banners in Canva. I also learned how to connect and meet new people that helped me with my career path as a psychologist and an entrepreneur. Overall, in IN-18 has taught me how to express myself and learn new skills that can benefit me in the real world. How to be a great marketing intern at IN-18. The first step is to get certified as a social media marketing intern at HubSpot. Next, get us set up with LinkedIn and create an account along with your professional preferences and your skills.
Step 3, update your profile by creating a LinkedIn banner that's unique to you and what's your career path. Having a profile picture and adding more about yourself so people being able to know who you are and what you are wanting to do for your future. Also, by following companies of your interest and people that benefit you, so you're able to connect with them and get more opportunities. And step 4, by always keeping your followers and viewers engaged by posting your content daily or at least throughout your week 2 or 3 times. Next.
What is marketing? Marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. This topic is important because in this internship, we mostly work around marketing in social media. Next.
Tools required at IN-18. A device that you could work on, preferably a computer and not your phone, an internet connection so you won't be cutting off or lagging while you're in a call, and soft skills. Soft skills are character traits on how you speak to people or interact with them or treat them. Next.
The type of work we do at IN-18. The type of work we do can be researching topics, creating social media content calendars for each month of the year, creating presentations and flyers for Canva, and career exploration, and creating buyer personas for clients in the future that need services with IN-18. Also, creating illustrations for the website, raising the visibility of the company, self-growth of oneself by posting in LinkedIn and about yourself, and reposting to raise awareness and educating about strategic planning. Next.
The social media apps required will be Slack, which is our messaging app, which is what we use to communicate with our teammates if we need any help, if we want to, helping us communicate. We use Zoom as our FaceTime app, which we use to meet on face-to-face to communicate with our teammates, especially how throughout this pandemic, we weren't able to be working face-to-face. Zoom gives us the access to be able to do that without being in person. And LinkedIn is our network app, which is used to follow businesses and professional people that have interest on what you want to do. So you're able to have more opportunities and network with them. And Canva is our app, which we use to make presentations and flyers and our ebooks. And I will personally use Canva in my future because this internship taught me how to use it way more than I knew beforehand, which I will use when I have to make labels and flyers for my personal business in my future. Next.
What is to be expected as a social media intern? First, be ready to participate and make sure you arrive on time and are punctual to get ready for work. Find a space where you are able to focus and not be distracted, and be accountable for your learning and your hours that you're working for. Oh, next. Sorry. The skills required for being an intern at IN-18. First is punctuality, meaning arriving on time and working on your hours required and making up missing hours if you did miss hours. The second is reliability, meaning doing all the work that is required for you and being responsible and having the tools required. The third skill required for being an intern at IN-18 is being professional, meaning being respectful at all times, wearing appropriate attire, and being on camera when asked.
Skill number 4 will be teamwork, cooperating with your coworkers and doing your part of the work, especially if you didn't do your work, taking accountability of that to not let your team go down with you. Skill number 5 will be respectable. Keep your mic muted while someone is talking. When working with new people, introduce yourself, especially on doing your elevator pitch on how we did when we first introduced ourselves in the prior slide. Don't look away while someone is talking. Next. IN-18 is a diverse company that wants to help different types of companies and coworkers into working together and developing soft skills. This is IN-18's information, LJ's contact information. And if you would like to learn more on how to develop soft skills with the coaching and strategic planning, you could contact IN-18. And if you have any questions, you're able to speak. And thank you very much for listening to our presentation.
Thank you everyone for joining. It's been an excellent time working with the team. I just want to personally say that they've done a wonderful job reflecting concepts and ideas that we need the next intern class to understand if they're going to step into the role. So I love the creativity and I love the work that they've done to bring this together. And congratulations on presenting. You've done a wonderful job. I'm sure the audience will take their questions in a minute. I'm sure the audience will really, give a lot of great feedback, and they enjoyed the time listening to you. Personally, I know this is your final presentation. I just want to thank you. And thank you for one, always showing up and just being open-minded and adaptable, being resilient, taking on new challenges, pushing yourself, doing things that are uncomfortable, and more importantly, giving me your honest feedback. I think that you're not here just to do what I say. You're here to be part of the company and to give your feedback from your perspective, because your life, my life, all of our lives are different. And so all of your input is valuable, and I value it, especially as a learning and development company, working with strategic planning. We didn't even talk about all of the strategic planning research that you've done, but I'd say that you've helped me move the needle on the company, and I thank you for your time, and I thank you for this presentation. I'm going to stop the recording now. Once I figure out how to do that, give me a second.